Take a ride in the 2020 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, remote engine start, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control, lane departure warning, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, 4-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, keyless start, aluminum wheels, rear defrost, front-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio. Your new ride is just a phone call away.